Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at another review of my lead gen secret. So let me hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, folks, here I am on my screen and I'm excited to share with you this review on my lead gen secret. Before I go ahead, I do want to have a disclaimer. Any results that you're going to see right now on this channel, these are my results alone. I cannot guarantee you these results. I cannot make sure that you are going to get successful, let's say, with my lead gen secret. But if you're looking to start with affiliate marketing and test certain aspects of it and see whether it's something for you or not, I would highly recommend to take a look at my lead gen secret simply because it is a good catalyst to this journey. And I'm going to share with you also a strategy that's involved that I've been using for over, I think, a year and a half, 2 years almost now, and it's consistently generating me commissions. Obviously, as I said before, I cannot guarantee you that, but if you do apply the skill sets that I'm teaching, if you do see that this is valuable for you, then definitely some results can be achieved that way. Now, in order to support you guys, just know that I do have an entire, let's say, lead magnet or course that's available for specifically this strategy, and you can find that in the description of this video. I just want to say that upfront, but let's get into it. What is my lead gen secret in the first place? So my lead gen secret, guys, as you can see right here, gives you 100 to 200 leads every single day, and these leads are co-registration leads in the business opportunity or wealth niche. Okay, so people who are looking for softwares, people who are looking for business opportunities, people who are looking for training programs that help you make money online or help you increase your wealth in some way. That is the kind of products that are successfully converting with my lead gen secret. Doesn't mean you're 100% going to be making those conversions, but what it does for you is it gives you an opportunity to act as a marketer and actually apply the skill sets of email marketing to get those conversions into sales. So the only thing that my lead gen secret promises you is those 100 to 200 leads every single day. And now imagine if you have that 100 to 200 leads every day for a year. It's a lot of leads that build up. I think in one of my accounts, I have over 100,000 leads already available for me, and I can email them every single day. Just think about that, because at the end of the day, in order for us to improve our skill sets and get those conversions, you need to have volume to do it. Now, this usually takes quite an expensive thing to build your own email list in this way. What do I mean by that? Yes, you can do it for free using, Facebook, YouTube, all of these other strategies are there, which you can use, and is very good to use that. But let's say if you go the paid advertising route where you're using Facebook or Google or something like that, doing it on your own, you need at least a high volume of data before you know what converts. And that means you need a high budget to spend in order for you to know what converts. So I want you guys to think about that, and then accessing something like my lead gen secrets, which costs you $30 every single month. It costs you $30 the first month to set up. So that's, I mean, $60 the first month, and then $30 every single month after that to continue to use it. Is much cheaper than if you would go the other route of having the Facebook ads. Now, quality wise, obviously Facebook and Google ads and everything else is higher quality leads, definitely. However, again, I say this as the skill sets of a marketer to apply and get those conversions. It's not the product. It's not, you would do the exact same thing with a Google ad. You could, if you didn't have the right skill sets for a Google ad, or you didn't have the right skill sets for a Facebook ad, you would just be wasting your money. It's the exact same thing here. You have to apply the skills. Okay, it's not going to happen overnight. That's it. So I personally, the mindset that I had when I got started with my lead gen secrets, by the way, I have known about it for a long time, was I needed to have a long-term vision. I wanted to use it for at least a year. I started to get my results after 3 weeks in my first account. I promoted one whole product for the entire year, and I've got my results. There's a whole playlist in the description in case you want to check that out. It has training, it has my results, monthly results, and everything there. So you can see that. And recently what I decided to do was I decided to open a new account, and a new account in my lead gen secrets. And I decided to do this specifically because I wanted to grow my Clickbank. I wanted to show you guys a method that or a way which I'm already doing, but I wanted to show you that it's possible not just with Warrior Plus, because I'm using Warrior Plus as an affiliate network mainly. That's my primary affiliate network, but I'm also going to be using Clickbank now to show you guys that this works. Now, a lot of people might say, oh, it takes you 6 months to 90 days to even 120 days to get those results. And yes, you do need time, especially if you don't know what you're doing. I've been using my Legion Secrets for a year and a half to 2 years, guys. So I know what kind of email marketing strategy I have. I know what kind of email marketing voice I have. I know how to speak to the customers because I already know these kind of leads, what they're searching for. So knowing them does help to create a good template. And I started, I think, the account a month ago. So in less than a month, I wanted to show you guys my results. So we'll just take September as, the whole month, because this is what the month that I'm using. And I only literally promoted Clickbank products for a week, because what I'm doing is I have recurring offers as software systems and so on and so forth that I'm going to be using with sharing using the second account of my Legion Secret. So I have two accounts. Okay, I have two accounts. One is using purely for my cash flow and my system and everything else on Warrior Plus, and that continues, and I'm still getting sales there. Okay, I can show you guys that also, but that's not part of this video. And the second one is Clickbank and other recurring offers. So whenever I show you Clickbank, remember that is monthly payment offers, not just a one-time offer, but I'm trying to grow my monthly payment on Clickbank to at least $1,000 a month. Okay, so that's personally my aim, is to get to at least $1,000 a month just on Clickbank alone, and then on other platforms as well, and have recurring offers moving in this direction. Okay, so that's just my goals itself, and all by using just this my Legion Secrets as an account. So I like it. I basically come here every single day. I send out an email every single day. And what I wanted to show you today is that in the last month of September, this month of September, I made 3 sales. Now that means it has a $54.75 so far for the month. Okay, and now what I wanted to do is I will go to the old Clickbank so that you guys can see. Let me just click here, and I will go to reporting. Just give me a second, guys. I'll go to reporting, and what I want to show you guys in reporting itself is we will look at the transactions, because whenever I send leads to my Legion Secrets, and I'm going to put this from August so that you guys can see the difference. Okay, so I'm August, and we'll put it till 23rd of September so that it has enough of time. Okay, and as you can see right here, these were these sales that I had right here on May. It says no, my Legion Secrets 7th May. This is from my original account that I was using, because the strategy that I was using before was email to Warrior Plus, and in my PS link, so I would write a PS statement, a one-liner, and I would give an option. So it was not a real conversion or marketing effort. It was just like if you want, you can check this out. So it's not really applying a much skill sets, but I did anyway to sell it there. And in doing so, I was able to get some sales, and those sales over the last few months. But I still have a couple of rebuilds that are coming in the month of September from these older sales. So from this first account. Okay, so this one right here, this rebuild, as you can see right here, is from the old account. This sale right here on the 7th is from the old account. This sale right here is from the old account, and these ones right up to here is from the old account. Now, what is interesting is that as I said, I started sending out emails for just 1 week, which is the second week of September. And already in the second week of September, guys, you can see that I've already made actually one sale right here, which has already got a rebuild. So whenever you see the 0 sale, it's basically a sale that's already made, and within 3 days, it's actually charged. So the person gets a trial amount, and within 3 days, their credit card is charged for the whole month. So this came in, and I got $18.25 already from that one sale. And as you can see right here, on the 20th of September, okay, sorry, it's 20, yeah, no, sorry, on the 20th of September, I got basically 2 sales. One was original sale, and the other one was an upsell right here. So let's see how much this amount is. I believe that this one would be $18.25 as well, and the upsell, I'm not sure how much it is. So let's see in a couple of days how this improves and what I'm actually rebuilt for. But I have so far with this new account made 2 sales. So that is at least $18 every single month, and I was coming in. So I've made about 1, 2, 3 sales, I would say, as a whole. Okay, so 3 sales it is. And this sale will be rebuilt a couple of days from now, I believe. But anyway, this sale, 3 sales from just 1 week of sending emails. So if you know what you're doing with My Legion Secrets, you can start to generate these kind of results, and even better, to be honest, even better. It's really up to you on how you apply the skill sets. But these are mine, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of progress with my account. The aim here is to get this Clickbank account to at least $1,000 a month. Why? Because it's a good number to have to know whether you are doing well, to have maybe a side in. I'm not saying this is going to replace your job, guys. No, not at all. But My Legion Secret is a good catalyst in the long term. It's how I'm personally using it, and I wanted to share. So literally my expenditure is just $60 a month. And if I make one or two more sales, that is covered. Okay, so sorry, $30 every single month. Already, if I already with these two sales, that amount is covered. So technically, it's now a free account that whatever I make on top of that every single month is pure profit, right? So that's what we want to focus on. This is the update. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. This is a Clickbank strategy. So I wanted to share with you also a Clickbank strategy. But if you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. If you want to join My Legion Secrets with me, then the link to this page is in the description of this video, as well as if you want my entire course, my entire strategy, my entire training, so that I guide you along the way, then that is also in the description of this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I don't do any pitches about subscribing, but obviously if you do want to subscribe, you can click that subscribe button and the bell notification. And thank you for watching if you're here already. I will see you guys on the next video, which is on Wednesday.